Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my solar basic learning channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to calculate present value and annuity. Present value and annuity using both calculators, KPEC and Casio calculator. KPEC and Casio calculator. That is what we'll be using for today's class, how you can compute it easily. So one thing I want you to know is, you see this present value, it has formula, and this annuity also has its own formula to get the discounted rate. It has its own formula. So I will be starting with present value for today. So for now, we have the formula to this. The formula should be 1 plus r into bracket raised to power minus n, or 1 over open bracket 1 plus r raised to power n, where r is the discount rate and n is the number of periods until payment. That is the number of years you are expected to get money. Like for example, now the rate in year 1 will be different from the rate or the rate in year 2. So the more the years, the more the discount rate. For example, now if we have rate to be 11% and we have the years to be 4 years, for us to calculate this, it is very simple. Very simple. All you have to do is, if you have to use our written aspect, you can just write it that 1 plus, it is advisable for you to turn this into decimal. That will be 0.11 open bracket, then this 4 will be what? Minus 4. Please note this minus, it is very important, very important. So this is the same thing as what? 1.11 raised to power minus 4. And to get this, it is also simple. You can just go straight by saying open bracket 1.11 raised to power, this is your raised to power, this x in box, raised to power minus 4, and you get your answer to be what? 0.659. If you want to put it in 4 decimal places, it will be 0.6587. So this is the simple one that you can do with your hand. But note, you can also do it with your calculator, with your two calculators. Some people know how to use this, why some people don't know how to use it, why some people know how to use this, why some people don't know how to use it. So for the simple clarification of this, let me just show you. We can use two ways to solve it in calculator. Same way here too, but I'll be showing you the two ways here. So the first way is this same way. You will just open your bracket, you press 1 plus. Anything when they say 11%, you can also do it direct. 11 shift, then you press this place 11%, then you close your bracket, then you put raised to power minus 4. It will bring it out for you. You can see that it is the same thing that we got. Or you can also do it as open bracket 1 plus 0.11 close bracket raised to power minus 4. You still get the same answer. So the next one I'm doing now is using the second formula with this same Casio calculator. So this one will be 1. Look at this button. This one will be 1. Look at this button. You can see this is the button I pressed. So you now write it there that open bracket 1 plus the rate is what? The rate is 11%, 0.11, close the bracket. Then this same power here, raised to power, this same power here, raised to power 4 equals to, it's still the same thing. So this is how to use it. See, this is our answer, and it is still the same answer we got using our hand calculator. So now let's go back to how you can change it easily too. So you press this side back, then you press it again back, then you press delete. It will delete the 4 that is there. Then you can change it to 5. You can decide to change it to 6 years. So remember that n will change depending on the number of years we're asked to. So some can say 15 years, some can say 10 years. So you're expected to calculate from using the first year, which is year 1. When you get your year 1, is always 1. Year 0 is always 1. So this is it. This is for year 1. Then when you want to change it, you go back again. You do for year 2. You put 2. Then you get your answer. Then when you are done with that, you come back again. You put 3. Don't forget to always delete the previous one. Then you get your answer again. And for you to know the answer you've gotten before, maybe you made mistake or you want to cross check, you can always press this up. It will take you back to the previous one. Then you press this up again. It will replay back. And if you want to convert your decimal, you want to convert your fraction to decimal, this is where you press this SD. You press it, it will convert it for you automatically. So you are not wrong, you are very right. So this is just the basic way of calculating present value using calculator, Casio calculator. Now let's move on to KPEC calculator. So for KPEC, I don't really know how to use this, but I can still use the first formula on it, which is open bracket 1 plus 0.11 close bracket. Then see this raised to power here. This is it. This is for KPEC. Then you raise it and put minus 4. Can you all see it? This is where I pressed. Then I pressed my minus 4. Then that is what So you can see that it's still the same answer it gives us. So it's going to give you the same answer. And if you want to change this one too, you don't need to do much. You just go here, then you cancel it, you press delete, then you change it to 5. If it's 5 years, then you press your equals to again, the figure will change. If you want to change it again, you go there, you change it to 6, then you press equals to again, it will change automatically. And if you forget anything and you want to go back or to reconfirm your figures, you can always press this up, you press it twice, you can see it has changed. You press it again, it has changed. Can you see? So, and if you want to go forward again, you can press this down, which is this, you can see it has changed. You press it again, it has changed. So this is just the simple way to use your two calculators to get your present value. Thank you for watching. The next video I'll be talking about how to calculate annuity using both calculators. You don't have to be carrying your tables up and down. You don't have to be wasting time in exam because these are just the shortcuts that give you extra time in the example. Thank you. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Thank you so much. I'll be dropping the annuity video soon. Bye.